Hello, BIM learners. Welcome to bimodel.com. There are two reasons mainly from 2023 we are not able to see the Revit families or libraries in the folders that we usually have it under the program data. So there are two reasons to use the Load Autodesk family. You don't have to have multiple options of having them in the folder and having increasing the file sizes, and it's very easy to access the files that we needed across the Revit projects. So you can go to the or load Autodesk families, which is available in the code, and you can directly select the family that you needed, and you can search them here. The way that you do, you can see that 3980 details are there, families are there. You can pick any one that you needed, and you can directly go and say load that. So it will be downloaded from the website, and you'll be able to have them inside your uh, project. So you can go ahead and press the component and you will be able to see the family that is loaded. So this way you'll be able to reduce the file size and you'll be able to access them wherever you needed. You don't have to worry about the place that you're looking for. Even you can add your own instead of accessing the other Revit families or from others website, you can use the Autodesk own cloud storage and you'll be able to access them wherever you need it. Thank you so much. I hope this tutorial helped you and you learned one tool today. And the same way, if you need any other tools, you can comment below and we will be able to do it on the next tutorial for your name. So thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.